Oh, you can't. I'm not gonna put you in. But right now I'm going outside. We're gonna go shovel some snow. It just got mad. The snowstorm.
We gotta wake up though, we gotta get his
The
reaction.
snowstorm just hit.
It literally did.
So yeah, snowstorm hit.
You were gonna walk outside like that.
I
You
got
boost,
Angela.
babe.
It's alright. I'll use this, but
Your feet are gonna be frozen. How do you even think I can drive that car?
we'll see. But even if we can't, we'll still try and get something done.
Your dad gotta be
I'm
shoveling
good.
too.
Yeah, my dad's probably shoveling. Yeah, he don't gotta work. But
I know, but you guys.
yeah, I'm gonna go try and get some money. I'm gonna try and shovel for some money. So stay tuned for that. But the car is snowed in, so I'm gonna take a video of it and we're gonna put it. We're growing apple seeds right here. We're germinating them. That's Angela's. That's hers. This is mine. And that's mine. Already started. What's it called? Germinating. And Angela's just started germinating. We put these a few moments late, but we got some apple seeds coming. Apple trees coming in soon. So stay tuned for that.
Huh?
Come on, Joshua. We need your help.
Come on, wake up. We need your help. Oh!
Oh,
Oh! Outside.
for that $5.
Come here. Look outside. Oh my god.
Yeah, pretty good.
Oh, he don't have it here. Oh my god.
Gosh, come on, man.
Oh my god.
Whatever.
Oh.
Hey, chill.
Oh my god, I can't see.
Come on, man.
Oh. I can't see. I almost got hit by a freaking car. I'm full.
Oh, watch you.
Yeah, you do. My hat's on my head. Look at my car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at my
Start. I don't think we're going to be able to get through this.
John, you're gonna fall. Oh my god. You're freaking crazy. You see it?
Fuck.
What?
Shit got in my sock.
Wow, do that! Look at you. Oh! Give me that. Give me that.
I got it. You trying to make money or clean your car?
I want to clean my car before anything.
We haven't got a shovel though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If we go to your house, then we can get a shovel. Maybe we can take this shit out.
Alright, let's go to my house.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, see you later then.
Alright, we'll be back.
Well, let's just walk. Get my car.
How you doing, man?
Look at us.
Come on, we can make some money too.
Look at this car.
God,
Yo, they said it was not lying.
I'm trying to go home. This is shoveling too.
Why are you walking with the broom still? He's still walking with the broom.
He's giving us dirty look.
I know, right? Look at this. Yo, I really almost got hit.
I know, we got it on camera. Looks like everybody got on leave.
Everybody out of work. Oh my god. This looks amazing.
Oh,
There's a car coming.
really?
Yeah. I don't even think they can come over here. That guy's just like, oh. Oh, oh. I know. My legs are hurting. So much weight on my freaking feet. No, come on. They're not talking to us.
Sound like it.
Oh, yeah. Enjoy.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god, my feet hurt. Right?
Your feet?
Yeah.
Your feet hurt?
Yeah, they feel heavy.
Oh my, I feel like I'm about to get some money. Look at this shit right here.
Wait, is it?
We come take this shit out?
They better pay us.
Oh, you think
Thank you. Oh god, he's cold. You know he's cold. That car, them niggas don't care. So I don't care. I'm just leaving there until it freezes off. Oh, freezes off. Look at his wheels.
I need a scarf.
Yeah, we can get one when we get to your house.
Yeah.
The girls are gonna love it.
Oh my god.
Bella especially.
This is crazy. This just had to happen.
I know, and you recorded it yesterday, thank God.
Yeah, I got the, what's it called? The recording of the thing.
Look at all these people. Slaves to the ice. Oh, my feet are gonna give out. Yeah. I'm telling you, they've been feeling heavy ever since I walked up on this bitch.
I gotta go to that granny. We go to this granny. Every year we go to this granny. So. How you doing? Good. Oh, it's cold.
Oh my God, look at it. Looks
You
beautiful.
said this shit was gonna stop. It's not
You
stopping.
said 5:30.
Look
or
at this.
5
It's
o'clock.
it's getting thicker though.
Yeah,
Right or not?
yeah.
Or right or wrong?
Oh, you say I'm getting thicker? Bitch.
Don't look like I see nobody.
Oh yeah. Everybody's sitting there house sleeping still. It's probably your dad right there.
Look, so this is how we do it. So right now we start looking, see what places don't got whatever it's called.
Service?
Their shit dried out.
Yeah.
Their
Shoveled out?
yeah. There's a lot of money to be made.
Hurry up, hold my hand.
There's
I'm
a lot of
falling
money
behind.
To be made today.
A lot of money in the air. I can't move. Feels like Ice Age. Where's your mom? Oh, look at your mom.
Yeah.
We're here. Nobody came out because there's no footprints or anything. Oh, look, they took this thing down. I'm dying. It's freezing outside.
Yo, make sure nobody's out. Alright, girls. It's snowing, girls. Melody,
Bella, over here.
this way, girls.
Over here.
Come on, girls.
Over here. Bella, over here. Over here, Mama.
Come here.
Now you're happy. Look
Oh, Ree.
at you.
Cheech.
It's so much.
You can't go. You can't go, Ree. Cheech. Come on, let's go this way. Come on.
Hey, Papa.
Cheech, Cheech.
Over here.
Come on, Ree.
Over here.
Cheech, Cheech.
Over here, Chichi.
Oh, Ree. Come here, girl.
Come here, Bella.
Oh, Cheech. Oh, mama. Oh, girly girls.
Come on, Bella.
You gotta go pee right there. Oh my.
It's okay.
It's okay, Ree. Come on, Ree.
Bella, over here. Come over here. Come. Come on.
Ah!
You got that?
Yeah, I got that.
Alright.
Oh, girls. Girls happy. Hold on, there's a car right here. Come on, girls. Oh, girl. Oh. Oh, my girls are stuck. All right, girls, calm down. Hold on. Hold on. This car's. This car.
Come on. Come on, girl.
Hold on, my girls. I think we're gonna have to go back.
Why?
I don't think we're gonna make it through there.
Hey, Bella's cold. Come on.
Hold on, Cheech, Cheech, Cheech.
Chichi!
I got it. Sorry about that.
Come on.
Oh, Ree.
Think she's cold?
Huh?
Let's just run over there.
Yeah, we gotta go back. Yeah, they're gonna get cold.
Yeah, let's
Oh, gosh.
go.
Yeah, they have fun. Ree, Ree, go. Come on. Let's go. Ree. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Chief. Oh, Ree.
Oh my god, I'm dying. I fell.
You have fun, Ree?
Did you record that?
What, you? Yeah. Come on, Bill. Bella, wait for us.
This is the only time she can actually run around the whole street. She's taking advantage of it. Look at you. Jeez.
Gosh.
Come on, girls. Go back.
You're having fun?
You having fun?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's my girls.
Look at you do. I want to go over there, but I don't know if I should. Come on, Bella. Where you at?
Ready?
Let's go.
Gosh. Come on, Ree.
She's like, I want to take a shit, but I don't know where. Take it, Bella.
Wrong way, girls.
She want to go up there, though. Take him in the snow real quick. Come on.
Bella, Ree. Go, mama. That's a. Oh, hold on. Cheat. Another car. Another car coming. Right here. Teach. Here you go. Oh, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here, girls. I'm here. Oh, girls. Yeah. All right, girls.
All right, let's go.
Come on, Cheech and Bella.
All right, Bella,
Come on,
go.
girls. Red Cheech. Come on, Ma.
Come on, girls.
We take care of you, girls. Good girls. Can you pause this for?
All right, girls.
Are you stepping up?
Oh.
Come on.
Bella went in there. Cheech over here being stubborn. Come on, Cheech.
Come on, Cheech. The whole snow just went. I feel like jumping all over it.
My car is literally getting shoveled out right now. There's my stuff. Alright, two guys on my car. There's Dad right here. And Isaiah right there.
Back outside.
We're waiting for you.
We're back outside. Is what time is it?
I think.
5. Yeah, 5 o'clock right now. Chi-Chi's over there.
No, Chi-Chi, you guys.
Oh.
Chi-Chi, stop.
Oh.
Go. I'm like
My-
going this way.
Hold on. Wait until this car passes. Alright, well, we're gonna walk the girls one more time and then we're gonna go back to Angela's house. So
Where's Chi-Chi?
Chi-Chi and Bella's right here.
Chi-Chi and Bella, let's go.
They out here playing. Oh, girls.
Bella, where are you?
Ree. Oh, Ree. Ree.
Grab her because she's going to try to catch her back.
You wanna go this way? Oh, never mind.
This car's coming.
Bella.
Oh, this way. You having fun?
Cheech. Come on, let's go. Be nice. Cheech.
You like it outside, Mommy?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, you like it outside? Come here. Like, take my voice out of that.
Oh, Cheech here, Bella.
Both of them.
Come on, let's go. There's a car. Right there. Bella and Cheech. Cheech and Bella. Come here. Come here, girls. Right at Cheech. Cheech. Alright. We're back home. Girls. Alright, so we're back and we're outside. Right now it is probably 6 o'clock. We're walking back to Angeles. So we're walking back to Angeles.
Oh my god.
Now I might do the reaction to the Pacquiao and Broner fight, because yesterday was a fight I didn't want to watch it because I wanted to put it on YouTube. I want to give a full reaction, a real reaction to me watching their highlights. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
You coming this way?
No. Alright. Yeah. My mom got me the coffee.
What is it? Butter pecan?
Yeah, probably butter
Pecan.
butter pecan. Alright, butter. Nice and smooth. You got this.
What the heck?
I'll move it. Here, hold this.
Fuck!
Put it to it. See that?
You got a shovel here? I guess they're gonna come over here. Hey! We got that on video!
Gosh.
Not yet. We're still good. Whew. I hope he's helping us. Here, baby. Like that guy was touching us. Hit on him.
Oh, you did?
He's dying.
Gosh. You got this, babe. You got this, babe. Stay in this lane real quick. Stay in this lane. Don't swerve off in that lane. I'd rather you hit this than to hit another car. There you go. Now you can go. Go ahead, babe. You got this. You got it. There you go. Good still. Alright, we almost there. But yeah, we just got stuck. We're trying to go see Angel's mom. This is the end of the video. If you liked it, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and comment for more content. We had a good time making this video. I hope you had a good time watching it.
We actually did.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog and the next videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.